Clear? Okay, students. Today we are going to learn about the voice. I think we have learned a lot about the voice sense. And voice sense plays a vital role in our daily life. Especially, why should we do the voice sense? There are 4 or 5 causes for voice sense. Especially, all the things we should be discussed later on. Today we are going to do some voice changes which are not common in all grammar books. Here, the one example is being said here by me. Complex sentence voice change. Complex sentence voice change. What a complex sentence is? A complex sentence is nothing but a principal clause and the subordinate clauses. And subordinate clauses are of 3 types. One is noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Today we are going to know the noun clause. Noun clause, and you have to think noun clause is a noun fractional sentence, noun type fractional sentence, and this noun clause can be replaced by the noun. So this sentence, this clause is called noun clause. Here we will see the voice change on the noun clause. Noun clause as subject. Noun clause plus VI plus complement. Here we have to remember that the principal clause has no subject. The principal clause has no subject. And noun clause becomes the subject. And subject position is empty of the principal clause. And so here noun clause does the function of the subject. So in this case we call this noun clause as subject. Example: what I read is hard. Whom we follow are good. Yeah, look at 2 sentences here. Underline what I read and whom we follow. This is noun clause as subject, and the principal clause is hard. Principal clause. Here in the box, principal clause. Principal clause. And the underlined ones are the noun clauses. What I read is hard. Whom we follow are good. Whom we follow are good. This is principal clause. Clear? Yeah. If we look at the sentence, here we will see in both sides voice change is impossible. Voice change is impossible. But here you see what is the object and I is the subject and read is the transitive verb. Here we should do the voice sense in this case. That's why here is hard remains the same, remains the sense. Let us solve it. Let us solve it. How can we solve it? Maybe what is read by me. Okay, we have done the voice sense. What is read by me? Voice sense is okay. Is hard. I think it is very easy. What is read by me is hard. What is read by me is hard. In the same whom we follow. Who is followed. Who is followed by us. Who is followed by us. Who is followed by us. Sorry. Whom we follow. Here it is plural. Who are followed by us are good. Who are followed by us are good. Who are followed by us are good. Clear? this is the noun clause as subject, and here we have done the voice sense. We have done the voice sense. And here, who are followed by us. Here you will see who. We have to remember WH form has no number. WH form may be used as singular, side by side as plural. So who is the plural? Here we see whom we follow are good. Whom we follow are good. Here, whom is the main subject of this principal clause. Okay, so whom here is used as the plural number. That's why who is also used as plural number. Who are followed by us are good. Clear? I think it is clear. Some other examples. Okay, let us see some other example. Where revise a pen is a shop. This is active voice. Active voice. How? Why I read English is obvious. Is obvious. Active. How he teaches us is easy. Active. When he taught us was evening. Here, where he buys a pen is a shop. Why I read English is obvious. How he teaches us is easy. When he taught us was evening. Clear? Both the first part, noun clause as subject. Here you see these are the complementary object. This is, you have to remember, WH form may be used as subject, subject linker, object linker, side by side complement linker. Here, where, why, how, when, they will remain the same. They will remain the same. We should do the voice sense. He buys a pen. I read English. He teaches us. He taught us. Here we should do the voice change. How can you do it? Now, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1, where a pen is bought by him is a shop. Look here. Where a pen is bought by me is a shop. Where a pen is bought by him is a shop. Number 2. Why English is read. Why English is read by me is obvious. Is obvious. Okay. Is obvious. How? Number 3. How we taught. How we are taught by him is easy. So the number 4. When we were taught by us was evening. when we are taught by us was evening, here look at the basic voices. Where, how, why, how, when. They are in the same position. They have no sense. They are the complementary. They are doing the complementary function. That's why we should not change them. They remain in the same position. They remain in the same position. Here, a pen is bought by him. We have changed the voice here, and this is the same. This is in the same position. This is in the same position. Why English is read by me is obvious. How we are taught by him is easy. When we were taught by us, when we were taught by, here, when he taught by him. When we were taught by him was evening. When we were taught by him was evening. Clear? Okay, now come to the number 2, principal clause plus complementary noun clause. Now look at a few sentences, active voice. It is how he reads English. This is where he buys a pen. Active. The way is how he follows us. Active. The reason is why the criminals murdered him. Let's see. I drew a margin. This is principal clause. This is principal clause. The way is principal clause. The reason is principal clause. Here you see how he reads English. This is the complement. After verb, you think the complement is used. And here noun clause does the function or does bear the role of complement. Here this is principal clause. And where he buys a pen, this is the noun complement clause. And this completes the principal clause. And the way is how he follows us. The reason is why the criminals murdered him. Okay, now we should change the voice here. 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 Clear? Now change the voice of them. One, two, three, four. Number 1. It is how English is read by him. It is how English is read by him. Number 2. This is where a pen pain is brought by him. Clear? This too is clear. Number 3, the way. The way is how we are. Is how we are followed by him. The way is how we are followed by him. The reason is why he was murdered. Why he was murdered? By the criminals. Okay, the criminal is the reason is why he was murdered by the criminals. The ways how we are followed by him. This is where a pain is where a pain is brought by him. It is how English is read by him. Clear? I think it is clear to you. Okay. In this way, in the complex sentences, we do the voice sense. In the next class, we will learn the other clauses. In this way, you will practice all the things in your daily life. Thank you very much.